Exercise 6.3. State which pair of triangles are similar and write the similarity criteria. First one, in triangle ABC and PQR, corresponding angles. Angle A is equal to angle P, that is 60 degree. Then angle B and Q. Angle B is equal to angle Q 80 degree. Then angle C is equal to angle R is equal to 40 degree. That means all three corresponding angles are equal. Corresponding angles of the first triangle to the second one, that is equal. So we can write therefore triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR by angle, three angles. So A similarity criterion. Same way, second one. Here in triangle ABC and triangle PQR. Here sides are given, so sides supposed to be proportional. So we can check that first one AB corresponding to that QR is coming. So we can write AB by QR. If we are taking, we will get that as 2 by 4 is equal to 1 by 2. Then BC by corresponding to that, if we are taking RP, 2.5 divided by 5, that also we will get that as 1 by 2. Then AC by PQ. Three by 6 is equal to 1 by 2. So we can see all the ratios are same. Sides are proportional. So we can write first one triangle ABC same way, and corresponding sides we have to take. AB corresponding to that, here is coming QR. So we have to write triangle QRP. ABC similar to triangle QRP using SSS, all three sides similarity. Now third one, in triangle LMP and triangle DEF, corresponding sides we can take. First LM corresponding to that FE is equal to 2.7 by 5. Then MP corresponding to that ED. MP by ED is equal to 2 by 4 is equal to 1 by 2, third side. LP by FD. LP is 3, FD is 6. 3 by 6 is equal to 1 by 2. Now here we can see two sides are in proportion. Same ratio we are getting, but this side is not matching, which means these two triangles are not similar. You can write that is MP, this one, MP by ED is equal to LP by FD, which is not equal to the first one, LM by FE. Therefore, we can write these two triangles are triangle LMP and triangle FED. When we are taking the same way, we had to name the second triangle FED. FED are not similar. Not similar. Now fourth one here. In triangle MNL and corresponding to M, we can start from here, Q. Then 2.5 for that 5. So we can name the second triangle QPR. Then here angle M is equal to angle Q. It's equal to 70 degree. Then sides MN divided by QP. MN by QP is equal to Mn is 2.5, here 5, which is equal to 1 by 2. Then ML, the other side, ML by QR. ML by QR. Here also we can see ML by QR is equal to 5 by 10, which is equal to 1 by 2. Here we can see two sides are in proportion and one of the angle which is equal in both the triangles. So we can write therefore triangle MNL similar to triangle QPR by SAS similarity. SAS means two sides and the angle between the sides. Here we can see two sides and the angle between. So by SAS similarity, these two triangles are similar. When we are taking the order of the second triangle, that you have to take in the same way. Angle supposed to be equal and sides are in proportion. In fifth figure, triangle ABC and DEF. So when we are looking the corresponding sides, 2.5, here 5 is coming, 3, 6. So we can name in place of DEF, DFE. AB corresponding to that, DF is coming. BC corresponding to that, FE is coming. So name the second triangle according to the corresponding sides of the first one, DFE. Here when we are looking AB, first two letters AB by DF is equal to 2.5 by 5 is equal to 1 by 2. Same way next BC, next two letters BC by FE. BC is 3, FE is 6. 3 by 6 is equal to 1 by 2. Two sides are in proportion. Now the angle. Here angle A is given and corresponding to that angle D is not given. That we can write, or here F is given, corresponding to that B is not given. So we can write any one of that. Angle B not equal to angle F. Therefore these two triangles are not similar. So we can write triangle ABC and DFE are not similar. Next one, triangle DEF and PQR. Here two angles are given. The third angle we can find by using angle sum property. That means angle D plus angle E plus angle F. All three angles is equal to 180 degree angle sum property. Sum of all three angles in a triangle is equal to 180 degree. So here angle D is 70 degree, E is 80, then angle F is equal plus angle F is equal to 180. That means angle F is equal to 70 plus 80, 150. 180 minus 150 is equal to 30 degree. Now we got angle F, that is 30 degree. Similarly in triangle PQR, triangle P plus angle P plus angle Q plus angle R is equal to 180 degree. Here P is given, not given, so angle P plus 80 plus 30 is equal to 180 degree angle sum property, which implies angle P is equal to 180 minus 110 is equal to 70 degree. Now we got this angle as angle F as 30 degree, this as 30 degree, and angle P as 70 degree. Now when we are looking these two triangles, we can see angle D is equal to angle P. We can write Therefore, angle D is equal to angle P, that is 70 degree. Angle E is equal to angle Q is equal to 80 degree. Angle F is equal to angle R is equal to 30 degree. All three angles are equal. So we can write these two are similar. These two triangles are similar. Therefore, triangle DEF similar to triangle PQR by AAA similarity. All three angles. Second question, in triangle ODC similar to OBA and angle BOC is 125, angle D is 70 degrees given. So if triangle ODC similar to OBA, then we can write the corresponding angle. Angle ODC is equal to angle OBA, which is equal to 70 degree. That means angle ODC same as angle OBA. This will come that as 70 degree. Now when we are considering these two angles, this and this, it's a linear pair. So one linear pair means 180 degree. 180 minus 125, this angle we will get that as 55 degree, DOC. Similarly, this also we can consider as linear pair or vertically opposite angles. That also 55 degree. Then is a triangle. DOC is a triangle. We can find the third angle. Here also OAB is a triangle. By angle sum property, we can find the third angle. That is DOC is equal to 125 minus 180 minus 125 is equal to 55. Then in triangle, this triangle we can consider ODC. In triangle ODC, we can add the angle 70 plus 55 plus this angle is equal to 180 degree. That we can write as 55 degree plus 70 plus OCD. Angle, what we have to find? DOC. DOC already we got that as 55 degree. Second DCO. So according to that, the question same way we can write DCO. DCO is equal to 180 degree by angle sum property of the triangle. 55 plus 70 plus this angle DCO is equal to 180 degree, which means angle DCO is equal to 180 minus 125. It's equal to 55. Now we got DCO, this angle that is 55 degree. Then in triangle, this triangle OBA. AOB is angle AOB is equal to 55 degree, which is equal to same as DOC, vertically opposite angle. Vertically opposite angles are equal. So here AOB same as DOC, vertically opposite angles. Now in this triangle we can take 70 plus 55, 70 degree plus 55 plus the third angle OAB is equal to 180 degree, angle sum property of the triangle, which implies angle OAB is equal to 180 minus here 70 plus 55 125 is equal to 55 degree. Now according to the question, first angle DOC is equal to 55 degree. Then DCO angle DCO, that also 55 degree. Then OAB, angle OAB, that also is equal to 55 degree. So all three angles we got that is same 55. Here we got question number 3. Diagonals AC and BD of a trapezium ABCD. Trapezium ABCD. Trapezium means one pair of parallel sides. AB, here it's given AB parallel to DC. These two lines are parallel. And diagonals intersect at O. Then each other at the point O. Using similarity criterion for two triangles, show that OA by OC is equal to OB by OD. So first we can write given. What is given here? ABCD is a trapezium with AB parallel to DC. Then to prove, that means the question, to prove. After that, proof. For the proof, what we are from the given terms, trapezium ABCD and AB parallel to DC. So we can consider these two triangles. In these two triangles, angle, so we can mark as 1. Angle 1 is equal to angle 2. What is the reason? Two parallel lines, this is the transversal. So alternate interior angles are equal. So we can write angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Similarly, here if we are marking this as angle 3, this is 4. That also alternate interior angles. Then we can take this one, vertically opposite angles. So when we are comparing these two triangles, we can see by AAA similarity criterion, these two triangles are similar. After that, we can prove OA by OC is equal to OB by OD. So first we can write here angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Same way, angle 3 is equal to angle 4 is equal to angle 3 from this triangle. These two by alternate interior angles. Alternate angles are equal, interior angles are equal using that. Now here 5 is equal to 6. Angle 5 is equal to angle 6. Vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles. Now 3 angles in these two triangles. So we can consider therefore triangle AOB similar to triangle COD by AA similarity. Then we have to look what to prove. From here, AOB, we can take first two letters if we are taking AO, which implies AO by corresponding to that first two letters CO is equal to, next we need OB, that means next two letters OB by OD, which implies if we want we can change the order of the letters. AO same as OA, CO same as OC. OA by OC is equal to OB by OD. Hence proved. Question number 4. Given that QR by QS is equal to QT by PR and angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Then show that. That means to prove triangle PQS similar to triangle TQR. PQS, this small triangle, is equal to the bigger one, TQR. Here we can see angle Q is common for both the triangle and angle 1 is equal to angle 2 is given, which means PQ is equal to PR. PQ is equal to PR. So the given ratio we can rewrite as that, then we can prove that. So first we can write angle 1 is equal to angle 2, which implies, this is given, from that we can write PQ is equal to PR. PQ is equal to PR. But what is the reason? Sides opposite to equal angles are equal. Sides opposite to equal angles are equal. Then in triangle PQS and TQR, which one we have to show? So consider these two triangles. And here given that QR by QS is equal to QT by PR, that we can rewrite as first one same QR by QS, which is equal to QT by, in place of PR, we are going to write as PQ. PR is equal to PQ, already we proved. So replace PR with PQ. Now when we are comparing these two triangles, PQS and TQR, we can see QR by QS, the bigger one side, by the smaller triangle side. Then QT, the bigger one, by QP or PQ. So two sides are in proportion, and angle Q is equal to angle Q. In both the case, both the triangle have common angle. Common angle. So two sides are proportional and the including angle, that is equal. So we can write therefore triangle PQS similar to triangle TQR by SAS similarity. Question 5. S and T are points on side PR and QR of triangle PQR such that angle P is equal to angle RTS. Show that triangle RPQ similar to RTS. Here it's given that angle P is equal to RTS. So we can mark that here RPQ is equal to angle RPQ is equal to angle RTS, that is given. And this angle is common to both the triangle, the smaller one and the bigger one. So we can write angle R is equal to angle R, common angle. In both the triangles. Therefore we can write first triangle RPQ similar to triangle RTS using AA similarity. Two corresponding angles are equal, then we can prove that these two triangles are similar. Question number 6. In the given figure, if triangle ABE congruent to triangle ACD, so that is given. Triangle ABE congruent to ACD. Then to prove AD, show that ADE similar to ADC. The small triangle ADE to ABC. Proof. So we can first write what is given. Triangle ABE congruent to triangle ACD, that is given. From that we can write AB, first two letters, corresponding sides, AB is equal to AC and AE is equal to AD, that we can write as AD is equal to AE. AD is equal to AE. This is equation number 1, this is 2. Then divide equation number 2 by 1. divide equation 2 by 1, which gives, we will get when we are dividing 2 by 1, AD by AB. AD by AB is equal to AE by AC. So from the given congruency, we wrote that as AB is equal to AC, AD is equal to, this side first we had, AD is equal to AE, this side CPCT. Now consider triangle AD and ABC, small triangle and the bigger one. What we had to prove, that we had to consider. Here we know that angle A, both the triangle contains angle A. So we can write angle A is equal to angle A, common angle in both the triangles. Then already we proved here two sides are ratio. We can take it from here, AD by AB. Also AD by AB, which is equal to AE by AC. It's already proved. So two sides are in proportion and the including angle, that is common, or this angle is equal in both the triangles. Therefore, we can write triangle ADE similar to triangle ADC by SAS, similarity. So hence proved. Question number 7. In the figure, altitudes AD and CE of triangle ABC intersect each other at the point P. Show that. First one, triangle AEP similar to CDP. For that we can take the same triangles. Consider triangle AEP and CDP. AEP, CDP. Here we can see these two angles, the middle letter E and D. So same way we can write angle AEP is equal to angle CDP, that is equal to 90 degree. It's given. Then when we are considering these two triangles, these two angles are vertically opposite angle. So that we can write APE is equal to CPD. Angle APE is equal to angle CPD, vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles are equal. So now we got two angles in these two triangles are equal. So we can write therefore triangle, what we have to show, the same triangle AEP similar to triangle CDP by AA similarity. Two angles are equal, so by AA similarity these two triangles are similar. Second part of the question, show that triangle ABD similar to CDE, CBE, these two. So try the same way. In triangle ABD and CBE, we can see angle B is common there in both the triangles. So we can write angle ABD is equal to angle CBE, common angle. Then here we can see angle D is equal to angle E, 90 degree. Angle D is equal to angle E, 90 degree. Therefore, two angles are equal, then we can write triangle ABD similar to triangle CBE by AA similarity. Third part, in triangle AEP, this triangle, and ADB, these two triangles. Consider these two triangles. From that we can write angle E is equal to angle D, 90 degree. Angle E is equal to angle D, that is 90 degree given. Then we can see here angle A is common. Angle A is equal to angle A, common angle. Therefore, we can write these two triangles are similar. Therefore, triangle AEP similar to triangle ADB by AA similarity. Now, fourth part of that question, triangle PDC. PDC, this triangle, BEC, this triangle. We have to prove these two are similar. For that, first we can consider these two triangles. From here we can write angle D is equal to angle E, 90 degree. Angle D is equal to angle E, 90 degree, that is given in the question. Then here angle C is common in both the triangles. Angle C is equal to angle C, common angle. Now we got two angles as equal in both the triangles. So we can write therefore, first one, triangle PDC similar to triangle BEC by AA similarity. Question number 8. E is a point on the side AD produced of a parallelogram ABCD and BE intersect CD at F. Show that triangle ABE similar to CFB. These two triangles are similar. For that, consider the same way triangle ABE and CFB. From here, we can write angle A is equal to angle C. Angle A is equal to angle C. It's equal to angle C. Opposite sides of a parallelogram. Opposite angles. Angles of a parallelogram. Opposite angles of the parallelogram are equal. Then we can consider these two angles. AEB is equal to this angle. These two lines are parallel and this is the transversal. So, and these two lines are parallel and this is the transversal. AE parallel to BC. It's a parallelogram. Opposite sides are parallel and here AE parallel to BC and EB is the transversal. So these two angles are alternate interior angles. We can write that as angle AEB is equal to angle CBF. Alternate interior angles. Alternate interior angles are equal. Now we got two angles in the these two triangles. From these two triangles, the two angles are equal, then therefore we can write triangle ABE similar to triangle CFB by AA similarity. Here angle A is equal to angle C, these two angles, opposite angles of a parallelogram. Then E is equal to F. Angle E is equal to angle F. Sorry, not angle F, angle B. Angle E is equal to last letter. E is equal to angle B. So corresponding way we got two angles are equal, which means these two triangles are similar by AA similarity. Question number 9. In the figure, triangle ABC and AMP are two right triangles, right angled at B and M respectively. Prove that triangle ABC similar to triangle AMB. So consider these two triangles. Here we can write angle A. Angle A is equal to angle A, that is common. Common angle. And B and M are both the angles 90 degree, that is given. Angle B is equal to angle M, 90 degree given. Now we can write these two triangles. Triangle ABC similar to triangle AMP using AA similarity. These two are similar. Second part, we had to prove these ratios are equal. So already we proved triangle ABC similar to triangle AMP. Just now here we proved by AA similarity. From these two triangles we can write, these two triangles are similar, already proved. From that, look at that, what we have to prove. CA, that means third letter and the first one. CA by same way the other side, PA, which is equal to next BC, that means second and third letter. BC by here also MP. That's what we had to prove. That already we got from here. We can write the reason, that is ratio of corresponding sides of similar triangles. Ratio of corresponding sides of similar triangles. So according to the question, CA, that means first we are taking third and first letter. Corresponding way here also, PA. Next B and C, second and third, MP. That much, hence proved. Ratio of corresponding sides of similar triangles.